Let's have a look at cable today.
Wait. Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. If this is your first time here, big fella, that is the Scruffy trader. And sitting next to me is Snuffle Pig, Wonder Wink, who always seems to have something in her mouth, which is just as well, because if there isn't anything in it, it never shuts. She rattles on like there's no tomorrow. Typical woman, don't know when to shut up.
Thanks.
Well, am I wrong?
I do talk all the time.
You liar. So, you need to see some trading, aren't you? Well, maybe, possibly, who knows? Some people just tune in to see her.
Eating me breakfast.
Breakfast. See what she's had for breakfast today. And why not? But no, seriously. What we're doing is we're trying to put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. So if that's good and you want to see it in real time, in the moment, hit that little subscribe button and we'll crack on. So what am I doing today? Well, I'm literally about to put an order in. In fact, I'm going to be doing it right now, if you bear with me. And then I'll explain what it is that I'm doing. There we go. Right. Sorry about that. Okay. So, put a couple of pending orders in on cable. Why cable? Well, it's very, very simple. Every morning, I've worked out excuse me. Sorry about that, boys and girls. Why, that was quick. Job's done. Where are we at? There you are. Straight 100 quid. Happy days, happy days. I can live with that. Now, that was the quick burst that I was looking for, the sheet had identified. So, why did I get there in the first place? Well, let me just cancel this off because it didn't go backwards. I'll explain that as well. All right, if I pull this out to the hourly, we can see it had a move down and there was a good amount of buying, a little bit of selling, and then the buys came back in based on this level. Now, I did a live stream at the weekend and it was all about this particular trade. And actually, before I took that trade you've just seen, I'd already told the guys exactly how to trade it and what to look for. Because I think that's fair. I think that's the fairest thing to do. Now, there's the live stream I did on stretch markets, which within it was what we're looking for today. And what I'm getting at with showing you this is, it's all about homework, guys. And I push this into the squad all the time. Do your research. Don't just rock up and think, well, I'm going to just trade. I'm here. Give me a trade. It doesn't quite work like that. But the guys themselves, they're already in at it. They're talking. So he's blown up accounts when I'm not about. This is what it's all for. It's to help the guys and actually stop that. I try to calm them down all the time. Now, with this particular trade, if you take it out as far as daily and you look at this, that was a substantial drop. That was ludicrous. Now, nothing can continue like that indefinite, but what adds weight to these sort of trades is if you go back in time, if I drop this on the monthly, it'll illustrate it. This is the lowest it's been in years. You know, I mean, we talking, and if we go past this point, you know, bloody hell, that's like 20 years of data. It's the lowest it's ever been. Now, again, it can move further down, and it has the potential to move further down, but within it, there's going to be some violent snaps. And it was that violent snap I was looking for this morning. And as you saw, it was quite a substantial burst quickly. And it was enough to give me a quick 100 quid. Now, I could have gone for more, but what I keep telling you guys is less is more. And what I mean by that is be conservative. I wanted to get in, get out. So I had it measured, and I knew roughly where I wanted it to be. And if I pull this back, you'll see it's gone up, it's pushed. Where's it stalled? This section here, which is a plateau. Okay, like a supply and demand zone, if you like. But that again, it's just watching and targeting carefully. So very quick one today, but it just goes to show you sometimes a trade can be done, well, in seconds, as it was there. And they're the best ones because you're in, you're out, you're done. That's it. Who cares? You know. So see what else my daughter has to say, because not only she speak to me, as soon as my phone went down, went straight onto her, which is astounding, really, because she's sitting next to me. That goes to show how clever our daughter is. But she's all excited because the dog's had pups. Fantastic. Do you want a dog?
No.
I bet she pushes one on you.
No, they're too big for me.
She's got a Rottweiler, and now she's just had 10 pups. Fantastic. Never mind. In fact, we'll get a little picture of it, shall we? Here. So, it's Grandpa Scruff to the dogs now. Again. And you think my life's great. Anyway, there you go. Quick one. Word of advice for today. Less is more. In other words, be conservative with your targets. Be conservative with your markets. Because if you saw the sheet that I pulled up earlier on, you'll see it was all filtered into a small basket. And then that basket is filtered into a single trade, which is what you just seen me do. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.